Hello everyone! In this video, we will learn how to add Google Maps to your website. To begin, drag and drop the Maps element from the main toolbar. Select the Google Maps composition you like. I will go with the default one. Now insert the Google Maps API key into the API key section in the right panel. You can get the API key from the Google Maps platform on Google. Use the address field to change the displayed location. You can use the marker to set a precise location by dragging it across the map. Right below the API key, you can customize the looks of your Google Maps. You can change the displayed map type, change the displayed map theme, and even adjust the zoom level for the map. Additionally, there are even more settings in the options section for your map customization needs. However, I like how it looks already. Let's preview it via the preview button at the top to see how it looks on our website.